Hello and welcome to Julabo. My name is Alex and today I will show you the simple steps to adjust temperature sensors with your DYNEO circulators. This feature is called ATC function, which stands for Absolute Temperature Calibration. Due to physical reasons, a slight temperature difference between the temperature sensor in the DYNEO and a defined point inside the bath might occur. To compensate for this, you can use the ATC function. Let's see together how that works. In the submenu Install Unit, you will find the section Adjust Probe. For adjusting the temperature inside the bath, choose the internal values. For adjusting the temperature in an external device, such as a reactor, choose the external values. You can choose your correction point, or you can set the status of the ATC function to inactive. For our example, we add an internal correction point while a sample is placed into the bath. To enable the columns, you have to set the status to inactive. Now you can define your set point temperature on the left. We choose 32 degrees Celsius. The DYNEO will start heating up when you press your correction point number. Now we need an external temperature sensor to check the defined point inside the bath. For an accurate reference, please wait a few seconds. The temperature sensor shows us a temperature of 32.02 degrees Celsius. So we need to compensate the difference of 0.02 degrees Celsius. Now you can add a new correction point. We enter the temperature we measured before, 32.02 degrees Celsius. That's it. The adjustment is done. You can add up a total of 3 correction points for different temperatures. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.